I'm at 1889 West 54th Street. This is new construction by Elmhurst Homes. Don't mind this dumpster here. They're still doing some finishing up on some things. You got some new townhomes there, lots of rehabs around, new home next door. This is a shared drive with the new home next door, and there's a shared, not a shared garage. Each house has its own garage with a shared wall. Let's go inside. So got lots of cam lighting, open floor plan. Got laminate floors, lots of light, modern fixtures. Kitchen, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances. Got a coat closet here, pantry here, tile backsplash. This will give you a better idea of what's going on back here. So you got a little bit of yard space, and then on the right is the garage for this house. So we're looking at, I call it about a garage and 3/4, not a 2-car, not a 1-car. So along with that closet pantry, you've got some nice big, lots of cabinet space here. So not going to be missing out on cabinet space. There's a half bath tucked over here in this little hallway. Very efficient. Let's head upstairs. This does have 15-year tax abatement, and that's on the full value of the house. That is changing in the city. The tax abatement's only going to be based on a certain part, like $350. So the rules are changing. This will go by the old rules, which is 100% of the purchase price. So we're in the owner suite, has an attached bath, double vanity, tile shower, glass doors, tile floor, and I just passed through here without talking about it, but it is a walk-in closet with a sliding door. Vaulted ceiling, open hallway, again, lots of light, stackable laundry unit right off the hallway here. Bedroom 2, small, more of a office, but it has a huge closet. So, you know, this goes way back there. Lots of closet space. Here's the main bath. Again, tile shower, tile floor, modern light fixtures, lots of light. It's just beautiful today. This is the 3rd bedroom. Again, lots of closet space. So the other feature of this house is its large and tall basement. One thing I always say about the difference between a rehab, beautiful rehab, I mean, beautiful rehabs are amazing. The difference between a beautiful rehab and new construction is the basement. Because no matter what you do with a rehab, you still have an old basement. And new construction, it's new. So, and this is very tall. So my hand goes up to about 8 feet, and that is further than that. So you got a full 9 foot up to the joists, and about 8.5 up to the heat ducts. The white is insulation. Again, that's for the green rating for the tax abatement. So you do pay taxes with tax abatement. You're paying taxes on the land. Slop sink. So great space down here. That's all I got.